Let's talk about TikTok Creator Fund and how you can go ahead and get it. The original TikTok Creator Fund has been largely discontinued and replaced by the TikTok Creator Rewards program in major regions including US, UK, Germany, France, and Brazil. To join the current monetization program and get paid for your content, you must meet specific eligibility requirements and apply through the app's TikTok Studio. The first thing you want to go ahead and meet is that you must be 18 years old, 19 in South Korea. You need to have at least 10,000 authentic followers and have at least 100K unique video views within the last 30 days. Also, your location definitely matters. You need to reside in a supported country like USA, UK, Germany, Japan, South Korea, France, or Brazil. Also, you need to use a personal account. Business or government accounts are not eligible. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you on the next one.